Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss you about problems on range and quartile deviation. So this is the problem. Find range and its coefficient for the following data. So this is the given data. Before going to start this problem, you should know what is range and what is the coefficient of range. What is meant by range? It is the simplest method of studying variation. Definition. It is the difference between the highest value and the least value in the given data. It is denoted by R. So what is range? It is the difference between the highest value and least value in the given data. Then computation of range. For ungrouped data, if H is the highest value, L is the least value, then R can be written as R is equals to H minus L. That is H is highest value minus L is least value. So R is equals to H minus L. So this is the formula for range. The relative measure known as coefficient of range is given by, what is the coefficient of range? H minus L by H plus S. This is the coefficient of range formula. Given data, what is the highest value given? So 81 is the highest value. What is the least value in the given data? So 23 is the least value. According to the definition of range, we know that R is equals to H minus L. Here highest value is 81 and least value is 23. So solution, highest value is 81 and the lowest value is 23. So we know that the formula range is equals to H minus L, that is 81 minus 23 is 58. So range is 58. Next, coefficient of range. What is the coefficient of range formula? H minus L divided by H plus S, H plus L. So this is the formula. H is 81 minus L is 23 divided by 81 plus 23. 81 minus 23 is 58. 81 plus 23 is 104. If you divide this, you will get 0.557. So this is the coefficient of range. Coefficient of range. Thank you for watching.